Hello everyone, this is Code to Live here with a new episode of the Java Basics series. In this episode, we are going to take a look at Java variables. The variables in Java are a means of storing value. This is needed in case you do not want to use a value right away, or maybe you want to use it multiple times. For now, I will just introduce you to two types of variables, string and integer. String is used for storing text, and integer, written as int, stores integer values. Here is an example of variable declaration. As you can see, first variable is a variable with the name first variable of type string. Declaring a variable this way provides a space in the memory for a line of text to be saved. So basically, this line says there exists a variable with name first variable of type string, which means it may contain text. I want to accent once again that this is the name I chose. And you can choose any other name you want, second variable, no variable, animal, whatever. So after this step, we can provide the variable with a value. This step is called initializing a variable. You might remember that in our last program, you have already seen that the text has to be written inside quotation marks in Java. However, you might notice the equal sign that you have not encountered before. This symbol or operator is used to assign values to variables. It is so-called assignment operator. Here are some examples on how to initialize the variable, or in other words, how to provide a value to the variable. As you might have already noticed, the ones on the left are variables. Since they do not have quotation marks surrounding them, they are used to store values. Each of these can be named in any way you would like. And on the right, we have the value itself, which is being stored inside the variables by using the equal sign, also known as the assignment operator. This step is called variable initialization. So this is what we have up until now. In the first line, we say that the name of the variable should be first variable, and it should be of type string. In the second line, we say the variable with the name of first variable has to have a value of hello there. You can change a variable name however you like. However, keep in mind that a single variable may be used multiple times in a program, and you have to change all its occurrences in the code. For example, you want to change the name of the variable to second variable. Then you'll need to change the one in the first line as well. You have to do this since both of them are the same variable. However, some IDEs do this for you, but I still think you need to know about it, because it may cause a lot of different types of errors. The value on the right can be changed freely as well. Let me remind you once again, the first line over here is called variable declaration. This is where you specify your variable name and variable type, which is string in this case, since we are planning to store some text. The second line is variable initialization. This is where you provide a first value for the variable, in this case, hello there. We can also reduce the code above into one line. With this, we declare and initialize the variable using just one line of code. As you can see in this line, it first says that the variable should be of type string, its name should be first variable, and its value should be hello there. In the next episode, we will talk about how to use the variable in our program. So thank you very much for watching. Please leave a comment with what do you think about the series, and see you next time.